Highway Code Rule 107. Other stopping procedures. Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency officers have powers to stop vehicles on all roads, including motorways and trunk roads or A roads. They will attract your attention by flashing amber lights, either from the front requesting you to follow them to a safe place to stop, or from behind directing you to pull over to the side by pointing and or using the left indicator, so you'd pull over when you judge it is safe to do so. It is an offence not to comply with their directions. You must obey any arm signals given. See page 105 for the arm signals they would give you. Highway Code Rule 108. Traffic officers have powers to stop vehicles on most motorways and on some A-class roads in England and Wales. If traffic officers in uniform want to stop your vehicle on safety grounds, example, an insecure load, they will, where possible, attract your attention by flashing amber lights, usually from behind.